The age old formula of ask, believe, and receive is widely known throughout the world, that was popularized by The Secret. Over the decades, we have tried to implement that into our lives. We make an intention, we start believing on it, and we receive it. This is what has been popularized, but there is a very important missing factor in this formula. When implemented, brings the manifestations to actual reality in very short period of time. In this episode, I'm going to talk about that missing piece which you need to understand, so that in the coming year you can bring your manifestations into reality with ease. So let's dive into the topic and understand what the process is. Alright, so The Secret says ask, believe, and receive, which simply means that you first ask the universe about your intention. That means you put out an intention, then you start believing on the intention, and you start believing that it has already manifested into reality, and then you sort of receive the manifestation. That's how the book The Secret has portrayed it. Now, the missing piece, which when added and is sort of the very requirement for any manifestation to occur into reality, is called resonance. When you simply ask and believe but you do not resonate, which also means that your vibration is different from the vibration of the thing that you are trying to manifest, you are never ever going to manifest your thing. Therefore, resonance is the thing that actually makes the manifestation into fruition. And how can we actually resonate with the thing that we want to manifest? Is that what I'm trying to say? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. For example, you are trying to manifest, say, a fixed sum of money, and you are sort of believing that, okay, if I do this, if I do that, if I work hard, if I do more clients, I am going to bring this amount into my bank account and I'll be happy. But that doesn't happen like that. Sometimes, even after putting a lot of hard work, it will not happen because you are not resonating with the money vibration. So, here are the clear steps to manifesting anything you want. In this episode, I'm gonna be more specific about the materialistic things that you are trying to manifest and how you can resonate and bring them into your reality. So first of all, put a clear intention out there. Put a clear intention out there. Even if the thing that you're trying to manifest seems very far in the future or near in the future, write down that very specific thing that you want to manifest. Number 2, now you have to simply write it and forget it. Yeah, write it and forget it. And believe that it has already manifested. And after you have written it and hidden it somewhere, now is your time to keep yourself in the higher vibration. The more you keep yourself in the higher vibration, the easily your manifestation will happen. In this meantime, you will sort of find yourself in this situation that it's been so many days and why my manifestation has not happened yet, why I'm not seeing the results, and then you will pull out the paper back and then you will screw up that manifestation. This is what you have to avoid. At every given point, when your mind tries to tell you that the manifestation is not going to work, you simply pull yourself out of that low vibration and you reframe your mind and put yourself back into alignment and put yourself back into a higher vibration. And that's how you will create the space for that manifestation to happen. If you will continue to poke the manifestation, for example, when we bake a cake, we set it up to a certain temperature, and if we'll like just keep a watch and we'll try to like see if the cake has been baked, if the cake has been baked, if the cake has been baked or not, we are sort of screwing up the cake, right? We are sort of screwing up what we desire. So your belief has to be so firm that no matter if it takes some more time, you have to believe. You have to believe, you have to believe. And you have to simply be in the higher vibration on purpose. If you will lower your vibration, chances are you are going to screw up your manifestation. So when you put yourself in the higher vibration, you are sort of matching the frequency of the manifestation, and then the manifestation is gonna come true. In the meantime, you also have to make sure that you are not taking any actions which are in opposition to your manifestation. I'm going to repeat that again. In the meantime, don't take any actions that are in opposition to what you are trying to manifest. You have to allow the manifestation to come to you, and that will only happen when you have no resistance. So you have to let go of the resistance, and the resistance will definitely happen because we are human beings and there is a lot of friction inside of us. So here is a summary again. First of all, write the intentions clearly, put it aside and believe that it's gonna happen, and then maintain the high vibration and resonate at the same frequency of the thing that you are trying to manifest. Last thing, don't take any actions that are in opposition to your manifestations. And that's when you will be in alignment, that's when your manifestation is going to magically appear into your life. In simple way, set it and forget it. Set it and forget it. Set it and forget it. And in the meantime, do the things that you like, do the things that make you happy, do the things that bring you back into alignment. Meditate, do breath work, walk, do yoga, do something, create something, bake something, make something. And that's when the manifestation will show up. 2022 is not going to be like ask, believe, and receive. 2022 is going to require you to maintain the resonance for any manifestations to happen.